Exploring and managing AR Zone on Samsung devices.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve into an interesting feature that comes with your Samsung smartphone, called the AR Zone. We'll not only discuss what it is and how to use it, but we'll also guide you through the steps on how to uninstall it, in case you decide it's not a feature you need.
What is the AR Zone on Samsung?
The AR Zone feature on your Samsung smartphone allows you to use augmented reality features such as AR Emoji and AR Doodle. AR Emoji allows you to create your own 3D avatar, customize it, and express different emotions. AR Doodle, on the other hand, allows you to make doodles in the air which can track your face or surroundings.
How to use AR Zone?
To access AR Zone, you simply need to open your camera app and find the AR Zone option in the More tab at the bottom. From there, you can choose from the different features offered.
How do I uninstall AR Zone?
Now, while AR Zone is a fun feature to use, it may not be for everyone. If you find you're not using it and want to free up some space, you might want to uninstall it. Unfortunately, AR Zone is a built-in app, and Samsung doesn't allow you to uninstall built-in apps. But don't worry. You can disable the app and remove it from your app drawer. Follow these steps to disable AR Zone. 1. Open your app drawer and find the Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps. 3. In the list of apps, find and tap on AR Zone. 4. Tap on the Disable button. 5. A warning may pop up letting you know that other apps may misbehave. Ignore this and tap on Disable app. This will not uninstall the app, but it will prevent it from running in the background or appearing in your app drawer. So there you have it. That's what the AR Zone on Samsung is all about and how you can disable it if you no longer need it. Remember, it's there to add a little more fun and creativity to your smartphone experience, but if it's not your thing, you have the power to disable it. I hope this video has been helpful, and as always, feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.